Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Twitch or create a Twitch account. So first of all, open the Twitch app, then tap on the option sign up, and now you'll have to enter your email address, then enter your username, and if you don't want to use your email and want to use your phone number instead, you can do so by tapping the option use phone instead, which is right over here. And once you're done using either your email or phone number, enter your username. Now enter a password for your Twitch account. And finally, enter your date of birth. And once you've filled up all of these, tap sign up. And then it will send a verification code to your email address. So check your mail and enter the code. And once you've entered the code, tap submit. And now you can turn on notification or leave it as it is. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Twitch account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.